Alright, what is going on everyone? Crypto Mac here, bringing you guys another crypto video. Today we're going to be discussing CasperLabs or Casper. We're going to do just a short update video looking at how it's been performing in the past few days. I think it's been maybe 2 or 3 days since I've done a Casper video, so I thought I'd do an update video. Just want to say this is not financial advice, so please do your own research. So straight away looking at Casper, we can see the big symmetrical triangle, which we've been following for well, ever since I started this channel, basically, but it's been going back since August. Had many fake outs, I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 fake outs, and then finally a breakout with confirmation, which is really good. Casper's currently trading at 15 cents, 15.8 cents, which is actually very nice. I really like this. It's holding up. Like Bitcoin's had a pretty bad day. Most altcoins are not doing too well right now, but Casper's holding strong at 15.8 cents, which it hasn't really done in the past for a while, is held strong, whilst other coins haven't done well, or even done well when other coins are doing well. So Casper's doing pretty good right now. If we look at it, my page has been weird, let me refresh really quick. So if we look at it, recently, the first thing we see is a symmetrical triangle in formation. But more importantly, so after the breakout, we've had 2 confirmations. We can see we've had 2 very nice confirmations. 1, 2. So we've seen this line, which has been resistance for so long, and many touch points, and finally broke out. And this line that's been resistance has become support. Perfect, right? That's what you want. Now we have this symmetrical triangle forming on the 4-hourly since, what's that, 7 days ago. So it's been going 7 days, and technically right now we're out of it. Up here. So we could break out. Just been creating higher lows here, constant higher lows coming up, and we could break out and move higher. So things are looking like honestly very bullish for Casper right now. If we do just go just a little bit higher, we can see this is going to shoot us up ideally to 18-19 cents, which will be in confluence with our other range here. So you'd probably argue that would see resistance somewhere in this level here, right? There's probably going to be some resistance here when Casper moves up, if it does, which it looks like it will. The other thing is we could see confirmation of the breakout, which means I'd probably extend that like that. So we could break out, come up, let me get rid of this line. So we could see something like this, breakout, come up to maybe this level, come back down, confirm, and then a move up like that. That could be something we see. There's a breakout then with confirmation, and up to our target range here of 19 cents and just shy of 20 cents. That would be really good. And just start to get higher, which is the idea. Start to move up. Casper looks really solid right now. Another thing to look at is Casper Bitcoin, right? Last time we had this drawn, we had not broken out of this. It's a descending triangle, which is a bearish pattern, and to see Casper not only break out but also confirm the breakout, right? Perfect. This is absolutely what we want. We broke out, we did come back in, broke out again, and then 1, 2, you could say 3 touch points and 1 touch point here as well. So 3 or 4 touch points acting as support, confirming that breakout, and then we rose. Very nice. And I don't think we've even finished this. No, like we have still a little more to go potentially. This is obviously based off the fact that Bitcoin has dropped down to 57,000, and Casper the past few hours has remained pretty steady, if not gone up slightly. So doing very well. Another thing to look at is Ethereum. Obviously we look at Ethereum and Bitcoin to see how they're traveling. They're going to predict the market and move the market pretty heavily. So we saw Ethereum get support of our big cup and handle line, which let me just quickly show. This is our cup and handle line. Ethereum got some strong support off this line, has come up. Now it's on the way back down. We could see another test of this line. I think that's definitely a chance. There's another move down here, get support, then start another move back up. That could be what we see. But yeah, it's coming down quick, so I wouldn't be surprised if we do get some more support. Another thing with Bitcoin is this may come down, test our orange line here, our support line, we got resistance at our sideways moving channel on the lower line. So we could get support here, move back up and get back into the sideways moving channel. I'd be pretty happy with that. And that would be very similar to this move here for Ethereum to come down. That's a 4% move for Ethereum to come down. And for Bitcoin, I believe it's 2%. It's not much, 2%. So both those moves could happen and they'll both see some support, and hopefully they see the support and they start to move back up. That's what we'd like to see for those two. As for Casper, well, I think in the short term, this is our goal. The very short term is to get a confirmation of the breakout, confirm it, then chase down this range, 19 cents. That'd be really good for Casper. I'd honestly be so happy with this if that were to play out. Like Casper, just look at this. That's 16 cents right now. It's really good. Casper looks pretty solid. So if Casper breaks out, I'll do an update video tomorrow. If we just wiggle out of this and go to the downside and nothing really happens from it, I probably won't do a video on that. But the other thing is we could break to the downside, but get support of this line, which would be okay. It wouldn't be the worst case for that to happen. So anyways, I'll keep you updated. Please like the video, comment, subscribe, and much appreciate it. And I'll see you in the next video. See you guys.